Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a cake recipe. First, I will beat my eggs, yes, till change color. You have the foam on top, and next I'll add my margarine and sugar, then beat all together to light, fluffy and pale. I'll add my eggs now. After mixing it together, I'll add my dry ingredients. So I'll add my flour, nutmeg, baking powder, and then gently mix it together because I don't want my flour to be all over the place. So I'll gently mix it together before I on my hand mixer. Next I'll add in orange, I'll just add the juice, so I've already preheated my oven to 180 degrees. Now I'll grease my pan with margarine. Now I'll add flour. This side is a bit messy, then pour all my butter in. My oven is already preheated, so I will set it in the oven to bake. So it's ready, it's hot now. I will leave it to cool down and then show you side of it, how it looks in. So if you want to try cake for the first time, yes, this is just basic simple things probably you have at home. You can just bake yourself and then enjoy your own cake. Thank you so much for watching this video. Yes, look at that. And please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Asante, I'm China, Margarine.